Welcome to another episode of Asia Unscripted. Today is Monday, July the 20th, 2020, and I have some good news for some of you. Unfortunately, it's not all good news, but starting August 1st, if you have an existing, you already have it, long-term permanent resident visa, you will be permitted to come back to the Philippines. So, unfortunately, if you don't already have a long-term permanent resident visa, that's not going to apply to you. No new visas are being issued to the Philippines at this time. So again, it has to be something a visa you already have, one that was issued before things got crazy in March. So you're still subject to quarantine. I'm not going to go over the quarantine process because it changes all the time, and by the time you see this video it will probably be different again. So they're constantly updating and changing the quarantine requirements. So before you come, check with the airline a few days before to see what their current requirements are. People coming into the Philippines are still subject to a limit. So currently the limit is 400 passengers a day, or 600, and they prioritize Filipinos. So if you're trying to come back to the Philippines and there's a Filipino trying to come back, the Filipino is going to get that spot before you do. I did read an article a few days ago that they will raise that limit to 3,000 passengers per day at the airport in Manila, and then 1,500 passengers per day for Clark International Airport and Cebu International Airport. So that's good. They're raising the amount of people that can come into the country, which means, or it sounds like, it appears maybe they have more quarantine space for everybody. So that's good news. They're expecting 15,000 foreigners to come back over the next few weeks and months. So that's 15,000 people that can potentially get back to their families, get back to their jobs. So that's a good thing. Long-term visas, they're talking more like the SRRV visa. That's the one you have to deposit money in a bank to get. It's a retirement visa. If you want more information on that visa, contact the Philippines Retirement Authority. You can Google that. Foreigners on work visas will be able to come back. And I'm sure there's other long-term permanent resident visas out there. I'm just not sure what they are. So you'll have to contact your local Philippines embassy or consulate and see if you qualify to come back. If you have a tourist visa, no, that's not going to happen, unfortunately. That's probably still a few months off. If you're looking to go back to Thailand, they're talking about letting elite visa holders come back. So the elite visa in Thailand is a visa you pay for. It's tens of thousands of dollars, but Normally you would have no hassles getting in and out of the country. You don't have to do visa runs. So they're talking about letting those guys back in Thailand, and they're talking about letting migrant workers back in Thailand. Migrant workers are a big part of the workforce in Thailand. So things are opening up a little bit more, which is good. Other countries, Vietnam is talking about starting up international flights to countries that don't have many cases. They're talking about doing that next month. So the travel bubbles are going to get started pretty soon, it sounds like. Let's see, Malaysia, I haven't heard anything about. Foreigners are still banned through at least August 31st. Singapore, I haven't heard anything. Hong Kong, the number of cases in Hong Kong are rising again, unfortunately. They had 100 new cases yesterday, which was their highest number ever. So unfortunately, Hong Kong looks like it's going to lock down. They're already starting the lockdown process. So, but anyways, that's what I have for you guys. Unfortunately, right now in Manila, the cases are getting really, really bad up there. Yesterday, Metro Manila had 1,800 new cases, where Cebu Island had 55. So Cebu, we're getting our act together here in Cebu. But unfortunately, things are getting worse in Metro Manila, the economic hub of the Philippines. So I wouldn't be surprised if come August 1st, Manila has to shut down again. It wouldn't surprise me at all. The president almost declared MECQ for Manila also. That's what we're currently on in Cebu. So things are looking up in Cebu. The malls reopened July 17th, a few days ago. I would say half the stores are open and half are not. So it's better than nothing. In fact, I'm going to the mall here after this video to take care of some business. Anyways, again, I want to thank my subscribers, all 1,925 of you. This channel is growing by leaps and bounds, and I want to thank you guys for that. Even if you don't subscribe and you're just watching, which is actually most of you that are watching, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, so you can get notifications on future videos. Anyways, for now, that's it. I'll update you guys again in a few days. So for Asia Unscripted, this is Jason, and please be safe.